Zenfone 9, the most comfortable to hold and most convenient to use with a single hand. The Zenfone 9 has flat sides and slimmer bezels. As a result, it's easier to pick up, more comfortable to hold, and looks more modern. We moved the sensor into the power button where you rest your thumb naturally. You can double press to launch voice to text, to quickly take some notes or send a message when you're busy, for example. And you can long press to launch the Google Assistant. The flat sides allowed us to use the internal space more efficiently. The main camera received a huge upgrade. It now uses Sony's bigger, top-of-the-line IMX766 flagship sensor. The Zenfone 9 comes with a 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilizer system built into the phone. No matter if you are snapping a quick shot or recording a video, everything looks sharp and smooth. We combined it with the most advanced EIS algorithm that we could find. The latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset is made at 4 nanometers. This makes the Zenfone 9 incredibly smooth and responsive, even when playing the latest games. Instead of a heat pipe in the Zenfone 8, we switched to a vapor chamber for the Zenfone 9 that's over twice as large. And the Zenfone 9 proudly and loudly continues that tradition. We kept the 3.5mm headphone jack in the Zenfone 9. The Zenfone 9 features the same beautiful 5.9-inch Samsung AMOLED display running at a super smooth 120 Hz, thanks to its IP68 rating. It's up to 4,300 mAh now. This smart backpack mount is optimized for single-hand use and is really convenient and intuitive. The Connects phone case lets you attach either a card holder or a kickstand.